Hello and welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Today I share with you this simple Ghanaian garden eggs dip sauce. You can also call it Nyadua Abomu or local Ghanaian garden eggs stew. It's one of my favorites, and trust me, very healthy as well. So without wasting my time, let's dive right into it. So for ingredients, I'm going to be using turkey berries or amedru. I'll also use garden eggs, obviously. That is the basic ingredients for this. And also I'm also going to be using pepper. And for the sauce that I'll be adding to it, you also need some fresh tomatoes, eggs. You also need peanuts or roasted peanuts, palm oil, onions, and some momone, kaku, and salted fish, which is kobe, and some mackerel in tomato sauce to give the sauce extra taste. So basically this is it. So to a pot, I'll go in with my vegetables, which is the garden eggs, pepper, and my turkey berries. I'll add in more water to cook this. Allow it to cook until it's soft enough for us to grind. All right, while that is going on, if you haven't still subscribed to this channel, baby, what are you waiting for? Please do what to subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the post notification bell as well and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you so much for doing that. All right, so I'll be enjoying this local dip sauce with my ampesi. So I'm going to add in my eggs, my kakao, and also my kobe to it to cook alongside with it. You can as well cook it separately if you want to. All right, so moving forward, I am back to check on my veggies and it's doing all good and very soft now, so I'll set it aside and proceed to the next stage. So moving forward, I'll start by grinding my ingredients. So I'll start by grinding my onions, and I'm using my local asanka and also eta to do this. You can find this in any African shop or any local Ghanaian shop around you, right? So after grinding the onions to perfection, I'll also go in with my peanuts or roasted peanuts, and also I've roasted this momone a little bit. So I'll also grind these two as well until I get the perfect consistency that I want. I know someone would definitely ask if he or she can use blender to do this. Yes, you can use blender as well, but you won't get the consistency just the way you want to use the asanka to grind it. The asanka taste is different from blender taste, trust me. So this asanka is a must-have. You definitely need to have asanka before you can make your Ghanaian local garden eggs dip sauce, just the way you see it on your screens right now. So I've added in all my ingredients, which is the turkey berries and also the pepper and the garden eggs. I'll grind until I get the perfect consistency like this. Yes, the texture or the consistency should be very roughy, just the way you're seeing it on your screens right now. So as we are done grinding the dip sauce, I'll also check on the eggs and also the kobe, which is also doing all perfect. So I'll remove everything from the ampesi as well and allow it to cool down a little bit. Yes, I always love to put my eggs in water before I remove the skin, which always makes it very easy to remove the skin as well. All right, so while that is done, let's start to make our stew, which we're going to pour on the dip sauce. You can as well fry your palm oil only and add it to your dip sauce and you are good to go. But we want to make our dip sauce very tasty, so now let's start to fry our ingredients. So to a pot, I'll go in with some palm oil, allow it to heat up a little bit. I'm using the palm oil from my soup recipe, so it's already flavorful, right? Also, I'll go in with some chopped onions and also chopped tomatoes. I'll allow it to fry a little bit until the onions and the tomatoes loosens up a little bit. Alright, so whilst that is done, I'll also go in with my mackerel in tomato sauce. For this, you can omit it if you don't want to or you don't have. Next, I'll go in with some salt to taste. I'll mix it all together and allow it to fry for about 5 to 10 minutes on a low medium heat. Whilst that is going on, if you haven't give this video a thumbs up yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly give this video a thumbs up. Also share this video to reach wider audience. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so now our stir fry is ready. So now all that is left is for us to pour everything on the vegetables just the way you see it on your screens right now. I'm doing it gradually because I realized the oil was too much, so I needed to go in with it little by little until I get the perfect amount of oil on it. All right, and don't forget as well to go in with your eggs as well, and also the kako if you love it, and also Kobe as well. And trust me, this combo was just perfect. I'm going to pair this with some cocoyam and yam ampisi, which I'll be sharing the recipe with you very soon. I don't know if I'm going to upload this before the ampisi. Whichever video that comes first, try to watch it for me. All right, let me know in the comment section what you think about this nyadwa abomu or garden eggs dip sauce. I hope you're going to give this recipe a try, and I will be waiting for you in the comment section to read all your beautiful comments down below. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and kindly stay blessed. Bye.